Python programming language. None. Explore None's role in Python, its comparison with Null and practical use cases. None is a special object in Python used to represent the absence of a value. It acts as a singleton, meaning there is only one instance of none in a Python program. This makes it a consistent way to denote no value here. In Python, none is used instead of null, which is found in many other programming languages. None serves as the standard way to signify no value or a missing value in Python code. NoneType is the type associated with the none object. Since none is the only instance of NoneType, it simplifies type checking and comparisons within Python programs. When comparing a variable to none, use the is operator to check for identity. This ensures that you checking if the variable is exactly the none object, rather than just having an equivalent value. None is frequently used in Python for default function arguments, as a return value when there is no result, and to indicate optional data. These use cases make none a versatile tool in Python programming. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.